Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can poke people on Facebook. So this is a function that was added at the start of Facebook in 2004, but then sort of removed in 2011, and now it's a bit harder to find, so we'll be going over how to do that. And poking is basically just interacting with people. You can only do this to friends, so you can interact with your friends, they can react to this, and yeah, it's a cool little function that is a bit secret. So go ahead and open up Facebook on your desktop first of all. We'll be going over the phone version in a sec. So open up Facebook, and then on the top bar you can type in, after facebook.com, type in /pokes, and then you will be sent to this page right here. And we will also have this link in the description so it's easier for you to access the facebook.com/pokes website. And if you've poked people in the past, you'll see this bar right here with poke again with the name of the person. Or if you want to search for new people, you can only do this to friends. Then type in some of your friends up here, and then you can click on poke, and then you can poke them right there. If you don't want to type it in this top bar, just search for it right here on Facebook. Just type in pokes right here, and then you'll find that. Now on your phone, it's a similar process. So now on the phone, it's a similar process. So just go ahead and go onto the Facebook app and type in pokes on the search bar on the top right. Type in pokes, then click on that, and then you can see friends you can poke back, new people you can poke, and yeah, that's how you can use pokes. Quite interesting feature. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.